How to log into American Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can log in into American Airlines. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you just need to open up your browser. After that, head over to your browser new tab and type in American Airlines login. After typing in that on your browser, any of the browser, you'll be able to find the American Airlines very easily. Just go up to the link, the very first that appears on your screen. You can see this American Airlines www.aa.com. So you may just go on to that page. After going on to that page, you can easily find the login section where you need to enter your username and your password. After that, on the below, you can find login option very easily. First of all, just enter your username. After that, enter your password that you may have used in order to create your account. After that, just put on the details and you should be easily logged into your American Airlines account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.